Hi, everyone. If you ever sold a home or even thought about it, you know the struggle of keeping it show ready. On one hand, you're trying to make buyers fall in love with it, like it's their dream home, straight out of a magazine. On the other hand, you are desperately hiding all evidence that people, and maybe even kids or pets, actually live there. Sounds simple, right? Well, not if you're like most of us. Today I'm sharing 6 realities that naturally tidy people just don't get about keeping a house show ready, shall we say. So let's dive into it. Okay, the first one is the art of hiding evidence. Tidy is not the same as hiding evidence. Naturally tidy folks might not understand the fine art of stuffing clutter into random drawers, closets, or even tote bags. But for the rest of us, we've all had that moment of cramming a day's worth of dishes into the oven because the dishwasher was already full. Hey, if buyers don't open the oven, it's a win. Then there's the chaos of kids and pets. So, number two, kids and pets are living, breathing chaos machines. Ask a naturally tidy person how they handle last minute showings with kids or pets, and they'll casually say, "Oh, I have a system." Meanwhile, the rest of us are just trying to keep the dog from drooling on the freshly cleaned couch and praying the toddler doesn't leave crayons on the wall again. If you've got a toddler, a teen, and a terrier, it's basically game over. Then we have the closet conundrum. That's number 3 on the list. Closets are not infinite voids of storage magic. Tidy people might think buyers are going to open their closet and admire the organization. The rest of us are just hoping the buyer doesn't get hit by an avalanche of stuff when they open the door. Pro tip: push hard against the door until you hear the latch click. Then up we have the dust dilemma. That's number 4 on the list. Dust exists in places you didn't even know existed in your house. Tidy people have a dusting schedule: baseboards, ceiling fans, you name it. The rest of us, we only realize we've neglected the ceiling fan when we see dust thick enough to measure with a ruler. And yes, I'm speaking from experience. Then we've got zones, not homes. That's number 5. Things don't always have a designated spot. Naturally tidy folks have a place for everything, and everything is always in its place. But for the rest of us, we live in zones. Here, our keys are somewhere on the counter, shoes are somewhere by the door, the coat's on that chair by the door, where the shoes are near to. Breaking these habits to keep the house show ready is like retraining yourself to live like a totally different person. It's almost impossible. Okay, I'm saving the best for last: the stress of last minute showings. Keeping a house drop in ready is downright exhausting. Tidy people live like this naturally, but for the rest of us, every last minute showing is a race against time. I've got a guest speaker today. Back to what I was saying. Every last minute showing text is a race against time. Socks are flying, vacuums are running, you're sprinting to hide anything embarrassing in the laundry room. It's like trying to defuse a bomb in 15 minutes, or at least it feels like it. Okay, so there you have it. 6 realities naturally tidy people don't understand about keeping a house show ready. If you've been through this, let me know in the comments which one resonates the most. And if you've got tips for making it easier, please share them too. I'm sure we could all use the help. Thanks for watching and meeting my guest appearance there, Mr. Chuck. Um, don't forget to hit the like bell and subscribe, all that stuff, so you'll be notified for more real estate tips, stories, and advice. And until next time, happy home selling, and I hope to see you back for another video. But bye for now.